Today, guys, it's all about the Glam-over. I'm going to take this plain white gift box along with some gold diamond wrap and gold brooches from Totally Dazzle and give it a luxe Glam-over. Using my crafting trilogy of hot glue gun, shears, and wire cutters, let's let the Glam-over begin. First thing I'm going to do is take my pre-cut diamond wrap and use it as the base or foundation for my entire design. I'm going to do so by using my hot glue gun and attaching the wrap along each corner of the box. Once it has been pre-cut or measured to fit, I am going to now apply the glue. Now this technique can be used with any tools of your choice. You can use ribbon, you can use different color diamond wrap. Just let your imagination run wild with this design. But for me, I wanted to go luxe and glam with this beautiful gold diamond wrap. The box, you guys, was purchased from Hobby Lobby. It's beautiful by itself, but I just wanted to take it to the next level and give it that ultra glam look. Once you have completed the diamond wrap, it is now time to start styling with your brooches. I'm going to simply remove the backs of the brooches using my wire cutters. It is very simple to do, as you can see here. Once I have removed them all, you simply just play around with the placement and design to your heart's content. Now, if you see what you like and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. I have so many more great videos to share with you all, and I would love to take you along on this fabulous journey with me. I can be found on other social media sites, TMB Designs 2 on Facebook, TMB Designs 2 on Instagram. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and beautiful, beautiful day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video. Smooches.